Hello everyone, my name is Krishan and this is a quick tutorial for advanced header in Siloh Pro theme. So without further ado, let's get started. So right now I am inside the customizer of the Siloh Pro theme homepage. So let's go to home settings, the header setting, Okay, so inside advanced header, we get module setting, logo section, menu sections, contact, button sections, and search. These are the content settings. So first we get module settings. So make sure you configure the module setting because it is very important in headers. It defines your header structure. So make sure configure these settings. First we get enable theme switcher. This one is enable or disable whether you want the theme switcher light or dark in your personal theme. Second we get enable menu drop-down icon, which is the drop-down icon beside your navigation link. Then we got theme switcher icon images. You can set for light and for dark. Then we got enable sticky header. So if you enable this, it follow your header when you scroll down your page. If you wanted to know about it, it's written here. Then we got header type. You want to set here absolute or static. If you don't know what is absolute, it actually overlaps your hero section. The header overlaps your hero section. Then we get enable social icons. Currently it's disabled in Siloh Pro. So if you enable, you get the icons, social icons. Then we got enable search. So this one is enabled in Siloh Pro, which is this one. Yep. Then enable contact details, which is this one. Have any questions? Then custom width, it can be set of full or custom. So I have set here custom. So in below 1920 it's set 1240, and above 2500 it's set 2160. It is for larger device. Then enable side menu. So this one is different. Whenever you enable this, it changes your menu links to the sidebar. Okay, so this one is the module setting. Next we got the logo section. So in logo section you define the logo images here. You can set height and width as well. Then we got menu sections. Inside the menu you can select here left, right, or center alignment. Enable mega menu. You can disable or enable the mega menu, which is this one. And you have to define your menu separately whenever you enable a mega menu. So it's structured like that. I'll explain this in another video, but for this video I'll cover up the header parts only. Then you can define the number of columns. Mobile menu is separate. You have to create separate because mega menu structure is different and mobile menu structure is different. So that's why you have to configure the mobile menu a separate way so it look appropriate in your mobile. Then we got the contact. In contact you can set the order. These order can be assigned between these three: the search icon, the contact description, and the button. You can assign 1, 2, 3. Or you can assign this button 1, then search 2, and then this contact 3. Then we get the icons. You can set the icons here between icon, SVG, or image. The rich text is written here, added here. Then menu section, contact. Okay, this one is covered up. Then button section, you can set the order as well. Enable button, enable or disable. You can set another button as well. Then we got search. So inside the search you can add orders, the placeholder text, which is this one. Include search button, so you can enable or disable this button. Results, you can set the custom page. Then search results include, which is you can set website pages or landing pages. You can just click here and the result will be shown in your search inputs. So this is pretty much it for content. Now let's move to the search part, style part. I'm so sorry. For the style settings, you get mostly the style for font, the spacing, the colors, these all settings are available inside the style settings. So let's break through one by one. First we get the header styling. Inside the header styling, we got the spacing for the desktop, then the tablet, then the mobile spacing. Then we got the background options, which you can set from color and gradient. Second, we got the menu sections. So this one is the menu links, the home, service, pages. As you can see here, it is currently set the color of black. You can set the font, you can set the line height, letter spacing, text transform and spacing. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5. These settings are available in all menu links, the main menu links and the children menu links. Then we got the color options, which you can set the menu color, active color, hover color, pretty much everything. So it is very powerful header. The font for the children menu you can set as well, the font, the spacing, the menu color, the hover, everything, pretty much everything. Menu section, then we got the social icons. So if you enable the social icon, then you can add the style here. So you can set the width, border radius, icon, BG color, icon hover color, BG color, spacing. Then we got the mega menu. So if you set the normal menu, like go here, content, then menu section, yeah, enable this mega menu. So if you enable this mega menu, then only this mega menu styling will be affected on your mega menu. Main, you can set the border radius, you can add the border, the width options, which is auto right now, full width or custom you can add, background color, navbar state, navbar basis, item basis. So this is a hover state. Then the main title, you can set the font, line height, letter spacing, text transform, text alignment and spacing. Sub menu style, so this one is this sub menu. And then the color options, this one is sub menu style, color options, yeah, color options. Then we get the mega menu hamburger icon. For the hamburger icon, we can set the color for dark theme. If I go responsive here, you can set the color of this hamburger icon. For the dark, it's currently set to white. Okay, that's back. Search icon, you can set the color here for this search icon. So this is pretty much it, and
I hope you understand the advanced header of Siloh Pro theme from this short tutorial, and I'll see you in the next time. Thank you for watching.